ए ब्रो,
ए चुकून झालंय माझ्याकडनं.
ब्रो.
Not good at bios. Will you help me write one? Yes, Raj will definitely help me. Write a good bio.
The quickest way to my heart is through my dog. Same. Yes, same bro, same.
Can't shut up. Manoko. Can't shut up.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's another day, it's another vlog. हमने अभी पूरा 2 मिनट का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया and वो पूरा blur आ गया. So this is our second attempt in starting the video. But what's up? I hope you all are doing fine. I'm making a video with my D today. So okay, so मैं यही बोल रहा था कि we were sitting. I mean, I was sitting the other day on Bumble and अब मेरे को ये idea है कि I'll let my sister control Tinder and or Bumble for me for a day. And I'll ask her to swipe the girls left or right and let's see वो उसके हिसाब से मेरे लिए the best match कौन सा है. Also, I just wanted to tell you that we are not judging anyone here. There's no judgments. It's just a fun game that we are playing. तो please comment में ऐसे मत बोलना कि अरे you're judging the girls and blah 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 XYZ. And I'm just gonna hand over my phone, my precious phone जिसमें बहुत सारा private data ना jokes.
I don't even know how all this works. क्या है वो भी नहीं.
So Tinder and Bumble is basically an app where you have pictures and नीचे उनका डेटा देते हैं कि वो क्या like their interests, height, weight, XYZ त्यांना काय काय आवडतं and you just have to swipe left for a no and right for a yes. So that's it.
So I have to find a match for you.
Yeah. So basically you just have to find a match for me.
And what am I supposed to do? Like I'll just tell you. Yes,
yeah.
No, yes, no.
हाँ मतलब you can swipe left or right. So people will see the screen down.
Left is for what?
Left is for no. Right is for yes.
चुकून चांगला वाला left ला.
It's cool. ठीक है? Okay, here we go. So this is the first girl. Take it to you control it. So the girl's name is A. You can go down. You can see where she's from and location this and her interest.
She's good, but तुझ्यापेक्षा मोठी वाटते मला.
She's age पण आहे 21.
आईला.
So they have everything here. She's an artist. She's into designing, photography. Next girl is. No, you have to describe everything. You just don't do left and right.
आता गेली ती.
Acha, okay, next up. Okay, wait, let me describe. So again, I'm getting all the A's, I don't know. So even she's a designing student, stand-up comedian. Oh, is she a stand-up? I don't know. Museum.
Stand-up.
She's into museum and galleries, road trips. And ambitious. Next up is Shirley, 21.
Sing me.
And she wants something. Oh no. Okay. Don't.
She's Catholic. I always wanted a Catholic girl for that. Because
Catholic
I wanted
girl
that. I wanted to wear that gown. White in your wedding.
तुला wedding मध्ये घालायचं आहे म्हणून का? I mean.
So I'll give her a. Because that was.
Surely
it is my dream to wear that.
Okay.
Catholic gown.
I'm not marrying anyone, by the way. This is just for dating.
Of course.
This is not matrimony.com. Shadi.com.
If you.
Oh, acha.
If you
Okay.
get a match.
Okay.
You never know.
Yeah.
This vlog can
Good.
lead to your marriage.
Surely, if you're watching, Shirley might just comment below.
You
Bro,
never know.
I watch your vlogs. That'll be crazy. I want to sell my soul to Illuminati. I sometimes misspell easy words. Bumble's not working. That's my ID, not my expression. Okay, so she likes baking. Tila coffee आवडते.
No, Baba.
Oh, okay. I think I don't have a say in this because she's controlling my profile today. So, I mean, I can't say anything.
Beer, beaches, road trips, and
I like beer. I like road trips. I'm ambitious.
it's a match.
But I don't know. Wait, I don't know. You decide. You don't go on my. Yeah, same. Left.
I am so sorry. Arey baapre. I don't want to read.
Straight away skipping girls, man. Straight away skipping girls.
Nothing on the outside.
Bro, मला सगळे A का येतात आज?
त्याचे लेटर वाईज येतं का?
नाही,
पण आले ना.
रॅन्डम
पण
आलं. हां, रॅन्डम आलं. Orange, you know काय स्वाइप.
तुझी अशी एक फ्रेंड होती कोणीतरी सेम.
हो का? पुण्याची आहे. I don't get bothered. My real life superpower is I don't get bothered.
शक्यच नाही असं.
हां, I feel she's lying, bro.
असं पॉसिबलच नाहीये. गर्ल्स बॉदर नाही होणार ना. I like her, but she's 30.
Oh no. My age. I mean, एज में कुछ रखा नहीं है, बट तो भी I don't want someone who's elder to me. Oh, she's cute. I mean, I'm just putting it out there. It's your decision.
Oh, nice. She's nice.
If I was you, I would have swiped right to this girl for sure.
Wait. Let me check.
Wait, what is interest cash? Soccer, tennis, badminton. Oh,
cooking.
nice. Hell yeah, soccer,
Good,
bro.
nice.
You matched.
See, I told you.
Is she from Nasik? I don't even know. Next one up is a software what? She's a software developer at some good big company.
No, but her age is like.
She's 29, yeah. I don't know.
I'm so sorry.
I mean, I wouldn't mind, but I don't know. I'm a little kiddish, so बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Age 29.
Kiddish मतलब. He's not a grown-up.
Museum, theater, beer.
City breaks.
Being open-minded. I like that open-minded thing, but yeah, okay, whatever.
No.
She says no. It's a no. Nope.
I like her dimple.
She's cute. Product designer.
तुमच्या बाळाला पण dimple होता.
Yeah. I don't have a dimple though.
She has. I liked her, huh?
Hey bro, yeah.
Nice.
Sweet. So she's a doctor.
Hey.
That's good.
We have same hair, see?
Hoga.
Same. Color is also same, see?
Actually, she's exactly.
See?
Look at this. Curly. She's a curly head.
She's more beautiful.
Ayyo.
Hey, she's cute, huh?
She's
I
very
hope she
cute.
matches you. Sure. Right.
Can.
I always want a girl, समझदार girl for you because you are not at all like that.
Bro, I'm the most समझदार person ever.
No.
You mean intellectual, like intellectual girl आनेगा? अच्छा,
You are
understanding.
Like, understanding. Like you are very बच्चू.
अच्छा.
छोटा सा वाटतो मला थोडं. छोटा सा म्हणजे.
We'll get someone समझदार. We'll get the doctor. I'll marry the doctor girl. Manasvi.
You're still baby only, छोटा.
Hell yeah, I need a doctor.
I
had a doctor, not jokes. Only.
Cancer.
Okay,
अरे बाप रे, cancer.
Coffee, crime, and horror movies. Okay, I'm out. No. Can. Left. I hate horror movies.
Wait, no. अरे बाप रे.
Oh man.
बायो आणि राज एकदम मॅच. एकदमच म्हणजे 100% match.
Where is she from? Can you check?
खाली हो.
Oh, Pune again. I mean, sure. If I were you, I would have swiped right. Guys, हमने कैमरा उल्टा लगाया था and the whole video was recorded थोड़ा सा इधर तक. So sorry, but we are just restarting everything now. I mean, again. Next girl is Aditi. What's up, Aditi? She loves basketball. That's all. इतना ही पता है पूरे इसमें. She hasn't mentioned anything else. No? Oh, okay. I would have swiped right. But okay. It's her choice.
Twinkle.
Model and actor. Damn, bro. Kai.
Damn, bro.
26.
You are 26?
6, yeah.
Alright. Can't shut up. Manoko. Cancel. Hey, she looks like Isha.
Huh?
Hey, bak.
9.
अरे सेम Isha ना. नहीं?
नहीं. Kai is studying socially.
But she at least has a sister. वाटतं ना तिची?
Yeah, could be her दूरची sister कुठली तरी. She wants something casual though.
हे बघ ईशाने स्ट्रेटनिंग केलं असे दिसत.
I mean, there is a chance. Yeah, nice. I would have swiped right too. Prarthana, UK designer.
Ken. छोटी वाटते मला. हसू नको यार. मी नाव नाही ठेवत आहे कोणाला. तुझ्या हसण्यावरनं असं वाटेल की
Straight away can.
Let's be romantic. Because
I love rom-coms. I've watched
What is
romantic comedies and skeptical about love as the world keeps changing every day. Hey bro.
चुकून झालंय माझ्याकडनं.
Bro, no. Okay, it's okay. I hope she's from Nasik. If not, I don't know.
मला actually left करायचं होतं.
That was a mistake.
I did it by mistake, and he has got a match. Ta-da!
We can unmatch. I mean, we can unmatch.
होगा?
Yeah. So far, we've got 2 matches, and I don't. मैंने वो cities नहीं देखे दोनों के. But yeah, it's okay. What do you think about this girl?
I like her. Wet.
My personal hell is wet bathroom floor. Okay, cool. My real life superpower is my infectious smile. Is her smile infectious?
Yeah, she's good.
Okay. So is it a right? Okay.
She's good. She's nice.
It's a swipe. Event manager at freelance. Badminton, swimming. She's very pretty.
I like her.
She's pretty, man. There are so many pretty girls in the world. Holy shit. And here I am, single as fuck. Anyways, okay, next. K. She likes baking. I like baking. She likes dogs. I like dogs. She likes wine. I like wine. Damn, dude, she's pretty.
She looks like.
Dude, she's the
doctor.
Yeah. I think this girl is the prettiest girl. So far.
What is wrong?
So far. Wait, let me check her profile. Right? Makeup, writing, R&B, pizza. Dude, she's pretty, man. What are you waiting for? Tanurima.
Oh, chukun. Oh shit, what am I doing?
That was the. I mean, I would have swiped right for sure.
होगा?
Yeah. 100%. Ouch.
ये तो मैं 21 कुठल्या अँगल ने ना मी तो म्हणजे.
नाही पण खरंच एज आहे थोडी काय खोटं लिहिणार आहे.
खोटं एज लिहितात.
No. Why would anyone fake?
Yeah, I like it.
Wait, let me read the bio. We are just doing it on the face value. I like beer, politics, and trashy reality TV. Yeah, she likes gigs. She likes singing karaoke's in karaoke's. Yeah. Break. Huh? Swipe right if you're looking for somebody to accompany you to gigs. I love gigs. Okay, last 3 swipes. And we're ending this video, okay?
Not good at bios. Will you help me write one? Yes, Raj will definitely help me. Write a good bio.
The quickest way to my heart is through my dog. Same. Yes, same, bro. Same. Just for this, swipe right. Just for that one alone single answer.
It's meant to be if my dupatta gets stuck in your watch.
I mean, I wear watches.
Filmy.
I mean, yeah, sure.
Dog lover, I have to swipe right.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, this is the last swipe that we're gonna do for today. And let's see.
Here is to find a connection. Swipe left if you know me or you want
to know me, or you want casual stuff.
What is casual stuff?
Casual, like no relationship.
Hi, hello.
No, like casual, like friends with benefits. Just casual, not relationship.
असं कुठे लिहिलंय तुम्ही?
Casual.
नाही त्या मुलांच्या डोक्यात असतं फक्त.
अरे casualचं meaning असते की casual is just. I'm serious. That's what it is.
काय आजकालची मुलं बापरे.
So, sorry, I just want to put this out there that this video was only for fun. हमने मजाक उड़ाया होगा या फिर कुछ भी किया होगा. It's purely we did not mean to judge anyone.
Please don't take it seriously. नीचे comment मत करो कि blah 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 blah. So yes, this was just for the fun. So that is pretty much it for the video, guys. अगर तुम्हें और कुछ चाहिए होगा for us to or maybe for thee to do something, for thee to control my life for a day or XYZ, any challenges? Control your life for a day? Or give me a day to control your phone. Yeah. Access to all the apps.
It's थोड़ा hard है.
Why?
But we'll do something together.
I want access for Insta, WhatsApp. That's it.
Not happening.
Only two.
Let's see. So if you want anything ऐसे तो जाके comment करो. And thank you so much for watching the video. And
I want to tell you that he is single.
And I'm single. Also I bought this new T-shirt. How is this T-shirt? Coca-Cola. And it says, "Oh, I broke the internet." Cool, है ना?
So
that is pretty much it for the video, guys. You guys know everything else. Thanks for watching. Comment below, like, share, subscribe. And as I always say, you guys know the grind. You guys know the drill. Take care. And peace out.